Hi guys, so I'm going to show you today how to record your own voice for the movie review project using the webcam feature in Clipchamp. So right now I have my script ready to be read. I'm going to click create a video, and then I'm going to go over here to where it says record and create. And then I'm going to click webcam recording. I'm going to double check the settings here so it makes sure that it's using the FaceTime camera and my internal microphone. And then I'm just going to hit the red button and start recording. Counts me down 3, 2, 1. High School Musical 2, released on August 17th, 2007, directed by Kenny Ortega, stars Zac Efron, Vanessa Hudgens, and Ashley Tisdale, and Lucas Grabeel. The genre is comedy drama and teen romance. The second High School Musical is much better than the first and the third one by far. Summer has arrived, and Troy and Gabriella's love has to stand the test of time. Summer break just happens to be the ultimate test. Sharpay's parents own a country club, and she allows them to hire Troy, but all of the Wildcats come along for summer jobs. Sharpay will stop at nothing to tear apart Troy and Gabriella. Troy must discover who he is and what the future really holds for him along the way. High School Musical 2 is not only the best Disney Channel original movie ever made, but it also is sure to become a classic and one of the best film musicals I've ever seen. And now it's going to play it back to you. So I'm going to pause that. And then I'm just going to click Add to Project. Okay, and as you see, it's preparing it up here. And hopefully the Wi-Fi at the school will be a little bit faster than mine, but that didn't take too long. Okay. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this down onto my timeline. And before I start layering my pictures and my trailer, I'm going to separate the audio track from this video track. So it's highlighted green, and all you need to do is go up to audio, click audio, and then click separate audio. And you'll notice that it separated the audio and put it as a blue track right below my video. So what I'm going to do is now click back on my video section and hit delete. Okay, and now what I'm left with is just my audio track. High School Musical 2, released on August 17th, 2007, directed by Kenny Ortega, stars Zac Efron, Vanessa Hudgens, and Ashley Tisdale. Okay, so I'm going to stop it there. From here, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you have a title, okay? So if you want the title to come in, High School Musical 2, released on August 17th, like when you start talking, you can put it there. But I think what I'm going to do is just drag this audio down a little. Well, we'll see if I can drag the audio down a little bit and add my full screen text. All right, so you would click T for text. I'm just going to grab this one here, dragging it over. Okay. And now I think it'll let me drag this audio clip down. It did. Okay, so I'm going to have my title come up first, and then I'm going to start writing on the movie. So to adjust the text on your title, you would highlight it green, go up to the text button, and then you're going to label your video the name of the movie and a review by you. Oops. Oops. Okay. And you can adjust the fonts and you can play around with the fonts and the sizing and the colors if you'd like, or as long as it fits on the screen and it's readable, it's okay. Okay. So now I am ready to start layering my pictures and then building in my trailer as I go. Okay. And you can kind of see how I built that in with my other tutorial that I left you in the stream last week. And that would be it for this. One thing I did want to let you know that if you wanted to go back to the original video that you started, and you can do this by just going back to that original one, deleting the computer voice, and then again adding your voice instead. Um, it looks like it wants me to, oh, it's having a hard time finding. This is probably because of my slower internet. So hopefully this doesn't happen to you, but it looks like it's just going to take a little bit to assemble it. This was the computer voice that I used originally. And you can delete this, and then you could add from the My Media section your video. But timing might be a little bit hairy, so you might have to move some pictures around, and it might be just as easy to start fresh with a new video, a new project, and then add your pictures and trailer from there. Okay, so that's my advice, is just to start a new one and create it the way that you originally started it. And that's for those who have already submitted one video. But if you did submit one video already, don't worry, that you get credit for that. You all did a really good job, and I'll put extra credit in for those of you who were able to send me a video originally. Okay. All right. Do your best on this, and read my comments in the private comment sections of the assignments, as well as on your Google Docs. Okay. When you're all set, go back to your checklist and recheck and double check to make sure you have all the requirements. All right. I will see you all on June 1st.